Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with your Comrade. In this video, I'm going to talk a bit on intelligence and its types. We have heard this word hundreds of times and have probably a general understanding of its meaning. The word intelligence has been debated widely by psychologists community for decades, and it has various definitions such as abstract reasoning, mental representation, problem solving, and decision making. The ability to learn emotional knowledge, creativity, and adaptation to meet the demands of the environment effectively is known as intelligence. And the capacity to understand the world, think rationally, and use resources effectively when faced with challenges. And according to Robert Steinberg, he defines it that the mental abilities necessary for adaptation to, as well as shaping and selection of any environmental context. And it has two types, fluid intelligence, and the second one is crystallized intelligence. So let's understand it with examples. Fluid intelligence, the ability to perceive relationships independent of previous specific practice or instruction concerning those relationships. Fluid intelligence tends to decline during late adulthood. And its examples are like solving puzzles and coming up with problem solving strategies. And fluid intelligence, it refers to the ability to reason, analyze, and solve problems. When we use fluid intelligence, we are not relying or depending on any pre-existing knowledge. Instead, we are using logic, pattern recognition, and abstract thinking to solve that problem. And when you encounter an entirely new problem that can't be solved with your existing knowledge, you must rely on fluid intelligence to solve that problem. The second one is crystallized intelligence. Crystallized intelligence, it is the accumulation of information, knowledge, and skills that people have learned through experience and education. It reflects our ability to call up information from long-term memory. It also involves like knowledge that comes from prior learning and past experiences. It is based upon facts and rooted in experiences. This type of intelligence tends to increase with age, means that crystallized intelligence, it increases with our age. The use of crystallized intelligence involves the calling of pre-existing information as well as skills, and its best examples are like how to ride a bike and to read a book. So how these two types work together means fluid intelligence and crystallized intelligence. They can and often do work together. For example, you are cooking a meal. You use crystallized intelligence to understand and follow the instruction in our recipes, and use fluid intelligence when modifying spices and other ingredients to suit your tastes or dietary requirements. Similarly, when taking a math test, the formulas means the plus sign comes from your crystallized intelligence and the ability to develop a strategy to complete that complicated problem. On the other hand, that is productive, so that comes from fluid intelligence. Thanks for watching. So I hope it has been helpful for you. If you have liked this video, must share with your friends and do subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.